What, right, yeah.
So
So,
disintegrated, we've got a tree, die
Dishmini down
sections.
Dishmini trio.
Rows that in. When
Captain Marvel in the building vegan stuff. So, yeah.
See the food, a wedding.
Taking the Marvel. Goes off.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah, Kyle, in.
Yeah.
Wait, not public. Oh no, fine. Once they are. Wait, not public. Having glitchy. Yeah. Oh. Pamedy is my sense now in ping on me. Odd.
Right, destroyer
Got him. Alright. No. Alright. No. I see a little silhouette of a man.
Yeah. I'm doing calamari with printing running and recording apps. Wagon.
How can I help you? Jesus Christ. No. Let me. God. Got him. Getting carried off me. So do you point? Ugh. Oh, so then I'll like G-Gun. Oh, got him. Oh, what? Got him. You wish.
You call, Leia
What is my mission?
Screen door.
You probably rage so hard. God. Oh. Finally got a kill. I mean, wait when count my kills, right? I'm ahead of the public. With proving Iraq and join our lose Iraq. I'm really good at time with Ian Boredom rather than actually kill our Ian Weiss. Haha. Got him. Let's go. It's me. Squad right at me. What am I doing? We started at 7. How many are doing? Yeah, very strange ones. We can hit that, don't we?
Diamond.
Very well.
Can't keep me on.
Oh, sprayer. Spray and pray. Spec it. Ddim gweld yna. O, fydd e ddim yn fwy o stays yna hwnna. Di cael e, di cael e. Na ddim. It's a controller player. Dedi. What's this with you, Miss Hannah? Oh. Well, actually, os bydd I cael y peth ydi e, os bydd hi'n dechrau y start, bydd hi dal yn
And
ennill.
he's gonna about backup dancers, so we know. Yeah, no.
Mae'n dda. Mae'n okay at least. Ddim y best. Hefyd really, mae'n total, mae wedi chwarae yn am so much longer now dwi wedi.
Probably Kyle.
A mae wedi leave o rage quitter. Right, dwi'n meddwl bydd hwnna'n enough time I wneud actual game now. Right, dim change the skin fi. Hwnna. Probably no, ddim ail. Sasuke. Let's stick with Sion. Dwi'n meddwl yn y copyright yna. Wait, ydy music fel y game yn copyright?
Depends.
A hyn,
Oh, no,
hefyd mae'n
Yeah,
Only
now
mention.
I probably yn achos hynna'n song really create, right?
Na, mae ddim yn song
Yeah,
mae...
of course. So definitely not probably my mini bun.
Well, definitely Gammon Style one.
Oh, 100%.
Hed mae ddim yn song mae Fortnite I gau, ond...
No, I'm 100% in Steam Fortnite.
Yeah.
Now my open Gamma style where he does mas mewn 2011.
Okay, my actual song.
Yeah.
Ydy yna copyright? Dwi'n
As
meddwl.
long as my ddim yn dod o a game, I'd probably mynd I fod yn copyright.
Yeah.
Os mae yn dod mewn o game, probably then.
Y skin hyn yn copyright, ond mae ddim ar the skin, mae'n just music.
Na. My
Just the music.
Oh, no.
Music.
Go on, point it out.
Alright, ni di Romulan. Time killer. Sut ydyn nhw'n miso I gyd o? Shots fi. Whoa, dwi'n cael enough mats. God. Beth sy'n bod gyda? Whole time fi. Edit, whole time. Zero. 100 milliseconds. Take it too long.
Too late. Okay, but then this goes on and then goes on. And then oh no, I didn't. Okay.
Yeah.
Cherry bomb then.
Dad, you just notice that dim roi music sydd yn fel sydd ddim wedi creu o Fortnite. Ti'n gallu get a copyrighted. Yeah, on my dal YouTube, ti'n gallu get a copyrighted. Yeah. Mae'n away YouTube yn gweithio. Yn strange ond ti yn dal. Get a copyrighted. Logjam Lotus. Don't hoffi logjam myself there, and them just Lotus. Boogie bomb them. Dad, ti'n gwybod beth ydy'r boogie bomb yn neud? Yes, so mae Messi's yn of your guns there. Dead.
Oh my god, car must have actually did that.
Didn't noise on People just go. Nah, perfect. Yes. Again, he's striker. Pam I in? Poor thing. Am I getting it crowned last round?
You look like a bomb, Cynthia.
Okay? No, it's just terrible. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n bad oherwydd Dwi'n meddwl mae'n bad oherwydd basic arena points fi. Dwi'n peb di chwarae arena y season hyn, so dwi'n meddwl hwn yn pam dwi'n cael bots. Basically, hyn yn sut mae'n fod yn gweithio. Pam ti'n mynd ar arena, higher points ti'n cael, better players ti'n cael mewn Battle Royale. Yn pryd ti gyda actually good players. Oherwydd dwi ddim wedi bod ar arena this season, mae'n creu fi 0 arena points ti'n meddwl. Dwi'n cael bots there.
You accidentally right now.
Dwi ddim yn chwarae against literal bots though yn y game. Dwi'n gwybod. Ond mae'n mynd i bod yn terrible. Yn i arsyn fe. Hyn yn y trick fi. Wydden ni'n neud y person arall hefyd. Mae ddim yn R-rated.
Dwi'n marw mae corff ti is the man.
Mae actually yn trio chwarae na. Oh god. I tend to dwi'n hoffi y sens fi.
Dylen ni profi faint mae'n dda mae'r camera mic, achos ti'n clicio am gymaint, gyd ti'n clywed
Yeah.
yn enwedig pan chi'n neud build, adeiladu.
Yeah.
Dys mae'r mic o fewn controller.
Dwi'n gwybod.
Gweld, jyst yma fe.
God. Mae'n well na hyn.
Ydy e?
Yeah.
Dwi'n profi fe, no?
Dwi'n just yn build a waste on it. Just a hawdd y gallu. Dim ddim yn good thing, ond... Mae always moments. Come on. Then another.
fi'n nôl.
Dwi'n gwneud y wobl sy'n amdan hynna yn i fi. A dwi'n teimlo fe'n easier i ddefnyddio fe. Right. No, really.
Oh, wow.
Don't know if you chwarae PC mwy na PlayStation, ond rhaid nawr dar PlayStation.
How do you know that?
Mae just, well, ti'n edrych fel bot, ti'n cael default skins usually, os ti'n just i dechrau fel fi. A mae just yn settings yn easier, a ti'n gallu turn it around quicker. Ac even gyda Mac Sense, mae dim yn as fast as gyda mouse and keyboard. A hefyd, mae'n easier clico a aimo, yn opinion fi.
Wait, so roedd hynna'n PlayStation 2?
Yn y PlayStation ar ti ni, ie. Also, remote fi yn un fi, fel y beth di fi. A ni'n cael ni'n cael un ar ti. You know. A un am y man cave.
No, yeah, going now, my team.
Na.
It's cael un roll yn enw, so.
Builder. Actually, dydyn hofio storm. Na. Yn bad, dim yn cael core, but storm yn ar. A mae'n middle about 1,000 miles away. Mae'n teimlo fel different countries pan ti'n mynd i fe.
Ond ni dal gyda, like, a ton o arian.
Dyna fe, ie.
Hog Rider.
O, na, ni.
Hog Rider!
Ie.
Come here.
Wel, ie.
Tamed it.
Ac os roedd y dawnsio wedi bloc o gan y walnuts.
Pam. Dwi'n mynd i'r cael nose scope ar yr hog. Switch flex. Or quick scope. Well, same thing. Oh, na. Mae'n anodd I styr o'r thing hyn.
Good impression.
Oh, wow.
No.
Okay.
Yikes.
Right.
No.
Okay.
Yes. Alright. What? Fi ddim meddwl fydd yn stopio. 3.1 nawr yn stopio. Ti eisiau gweld sut mae pobl dal yma.
Application.
Ti'n plan, o, fi jyst yn fel, rhoi butter ar y heads.
Okay.
Ti ddim yn invisible boy. Cala. Let's go. Dim yn y worst player.
Trying to have this party in the
Fi ti'n gwybod sydd yn meddwl fydd yn person yna, wedyn.
Ti'n have snap yeah, kidding.
Breakfast.
Ia'n dechrau dynofio pethau ba.
Yeah.
Dwi'n siŵr definitely cadw am nawr.
Yeah. That's ice cream.
Dynofio ice cream. Wedyn.
People of you knew fallbacks, so I think.
Little whip. Oh no, I'm going to get copyrighted. Mae yn heth mae channel mynd.
Ie, ond roedd ti canu fe'n union fel, literally, yr un tiwn un bach o'n top e. Ti'n canu fe i dy hun ddim yn mynd i wneud unrhyw blaen.
Faint mae ddan?
Bydd o'n dda. Mor dda.
Dwi'n sgyn lle ti ar...
Na,
Na, mae ddim. Mae'n actual, ti allu rhaid yn nhw'n ar. Yn cool. A mae'n y wolf hefyd. Diolch yn rhaid o'r wolves. Dyn nhw add o'r dogs i Minecraft a Fortnite. Ydy add...
Mae'n ar dogs right mewn Minecraft.
Lle? Wolves.
Ie, ti'n teimlo nhw mewn i dogs.
Dyna me, fi eisiau mae da wolves. Ti'n gael no idea. Och. Yeah. Don't cael... Yeah, mae... Bydd yn anodd decision wedyn. Combo hyn, headshot yn hyn yn OG combo dad. Headshot yn nhw, a wen spray yn nhw. A mae'n sweaty combo. I dynefio. Oh! Hit a bob un. Wait. Ti'n gwybod beth ydi aiming down sight ti'n meddwl?
Down sight yn basically...
A dwi'n cael stream. Rhywbeth.
Okay.
Dwi'n clywed y crowd noise, gweld. Beth ddim yn cael chugs in? Bydd hi'n dead. Yes!
Ice cream.
Dwi'n methu bod yn fi careful, gweld. Bushes ddim yn cael ti creu damage si.
Remember we already selected gyda hyn. Dwi'n meddwl ni gael ei recover o hynny.
Okay, then help it mushroom. Thank you. Come on. What's going on there? Okay, you go do it.
Buggy bot. No, I can't prime shotgun.
You do it in the way. Good side.
Tiger Rider. Down your shields.
Durfy tree being under.
Ready? You're right.
How do you run a bush?
Alright.
Bro, I tried.
Lily pad.
Oh, lily pad, really?
Yeah, some apples.
Yeah. Could they fall asleep? What is the heck is that?
And I'm put my night crawl level the best.
What? No, then. What?
I'm different.
Where'd you go? Where's the mic? Oh, my dear, the monkey.
definitely.
Hala. Oh. God.
So,
Okay, so those
my shop and our car keys.
yeah. I am change your cards.
Maybe on a tea. Wait a minute though. Maybe my movie was in minimax.
Carina. Any more hides?
But I can change your card. So, yep, me rebook.
Get over.
Oh, okay, normal zombie. Just,
Oh, yeah, I wasn't that was one of these.
yeah,
So-
but just normal zombies.
And now it's in there. Huh. Ready sleeper. Nah, I'm weird now. God. No, Lydia.
I'm not in an hour.
Mama. Yo, ma.
Yeah, I get stuff. Give me a little bit.
Sorry, Pank.
Okay, hang on, stop. Okay. Just, put it like...
What?
Probably really passes down.
Again. Shanti Wati, Demerega, Shanti Lisa, Julia Mona Lisa. Go get Rabbit, Timona, just getting my dipole letter. Stop boy pressure me.
What's that?
Well, Pam didn't gweld e, bydd hi jyst cocsgwb fe, neu trio at least. Dwi'n gweld e. Come on, dwi angen ennill. Diamond row, come on.
Yeah, okay.
Na'n check up bushes, Harry. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n rhywbeth.
That was amazing, but well.
Senhor.
Gweld,
Lá no piso de cara, cara.
mae'n
So
lawr.
ti'n cael y hard, fi'n cael...
No? Let's go. Eto! Arigato.
Wait,
It's there, look eto. Diamond row.
how many pairs mewn match?
Bydd ni'n just cael dau. So basically, os ti'n ennill unwaith, yeah, mae'n 100 pobl mewn un match.
Wow.
I can't be doing all that.
Right. Ond basically, fydd un ennill y game o diwethaf hefyd, so... Wi ddim... Screenshot o fe, sorry. Be?
That was stream.
Be, dy gwybod?
Oh, fi'n cyntaf yna. A ti ddim gyda fe.
O ie, fi'n gyntaf fydd i ddim yn costume.
Parod?
Yep, ready.
Me.
Ti'n newid o'r...
Yeah, os gwrs fydd ddim yn teig o fod
Ti'n gosgi pause? Zoom broadcast.
Alright, now I roll a technical difficulties winner with main fixer. Min nôl I skin
Dim barod nhw, dan.
ni bod yn skinning. Ting unique skin and bot tester bot thing or Epic Games. To basically just stand there all day, trio invite pobl, sleep, and then the program ti'n neud. Enjoy, mae'n fel scam basically. O na. O na, dim fod I. Cwan wins fi. Saith yna.
Yeah, mae'n dod yn ôl.
Specifically saith the season hyn, at least. A jubilation emote.
Hello.
Basically, it's Matthew Mr. Our PlayStation. Nah, I didn't copyright. I said a backpack and a. Did you backpack?
He died.
Something called. Cool pickaxes. Pasty Mounty Rana. Just a bunch of bubbles. Pasty Mounty Rana skin in. Buddy. Pasty Mounty skin hidden. Has my skin hidden actually got eyes. God.
Whoa.
Christ.
Weird.
Yeah, ti gallu edrych ti fewn actual skins hat. Ti gallu edrych ti fewn nhw os nhw'n stand still.
Oh my god, this is weird.
It's land a crappy place I lando. Just a head ddim yn meddwl bydd dim rhywun yn lando fan'na. Just trying to be dim at a bell, just trying to listen. Oh, will you have my Mona Lisa? DM and land are gonna re-OT.
Oh yeah.
Nothing even. Yeah. Oh, I think in a worse place he lands. I think in chest.
Probably fel, ddim yn good hyn, you're going to chwarae fel transfer movies, fel yn movie.
Oh, God. Yeah, like another game. I said it.
Yeah, fel Diary one.
Don't walk in and I game.
Os mae'n pryd ym elfi y dad fi'n siarad yma. Just...
Ddim enemies sy'n baseball nawr. I'm best fel wall.
He's way fast. He's really fast.
Oh,
Even with the pieces, I went for the actually power shot ahead.
Oh yeah, cool. No, ni gael cael line o yeah.
is there a reset button, dwi jyst yn gwasgu. Dwi jyst yn disable fo hwnna. So edits fi nawr.
Actually, na, ni ddim angen stop yna. Ni gyda...
I ddim yn enough i floato though.
So yna'n 5 p at a time.
Yeah.
Ti'n gwybod bod mae'n y chance i cael fel Epic Games employee mewn y lobby ti. So basically, ti'n gwybod os mae'n Epic Games employee, hefyd dwi'n cael capital Epic a cwom fachau a bwysau, a dwi'n dweud yr enw fe, a mae neb arall yn gallu cael yr enw nhw Epic rhywbeth, hefyd mae ddim yn gadael ti, hefyd mae'n swnio fel mae'n Epic Games person. So os ti'n gweld rhywun sy'n cael capital Epic, i gyd ysbel o Epic, ysbel o Epic, a cael fel cwm bachau a bwysau, hynny'n meddwl nhw'n Epic Games Lwyca. Mae'n low chance so ti'n ffein gweld hwnna, so try to get a host down. Ti beth yn gweld nhw, basically.
So mae'n broadband bydd yn broadband.
That's poison now. That's it.
Mae'n really expensive on the deck.
Pizza dia.
And 3 pizza.
Mae'n marfod nhw'n gwbl
Yeah.
Ti allu cael pizza mewn plant versus zombies. They finally defamed a chest gyda guns mewn fe. Oh, let's go. It's in a random shot of yn lladd. Oh, gai hwnna eto. No top.
IT ma IT. Oh, really nice. Well,
It's literally down.
We got it. Yeah, I was thinking. Oh, I'll do it.
They're the guy that really knock off. With a ruby skin.
Election, I think, mini-game.
My DLC.
Oh, yeah, we got a... actually, no, we got a DLC. Oh, Back 4 Blood. Back 4 Blood. Banjo-Kazooie.
Yeah, Nicole.
I'm going to a remake. My remake is edrych yn really weird and realistic. Battletoads!
Ti'n siŵr ni dweud hwnna i pob game ti'n gweld? Dyn ni'n cael.
That's some really good games. I really go about you, Arno.
And then pan mae Epic, mae Game Pass yn worth it. God, they're all game hyn ni angen. Yndi. Tar.
No good, I've written how to do.
God, mae ddim yn ni.
And you've got to do season 2 all man. Yeah, you literally Fable series.
Dwi'n meddwl half yn y tîm yn gwybod beth ydych chi'n gwybod. Ydy e. Goat Simulator yn doniol. Mae'n dda game.
Oh, Grounded Regal, you know, mine really small. I am fish.
I'm fishing. Dwi ddim yn ysgrifennu wedi meddwl i ddim bydd yn.
How much much my Game Pass in this year?
Morgan, sell your Game Pass Xbox.
Oh my god.
Yeah, when me
I'm up the world. Yeah.
Uite ce inam przyjmij są do...
Is that a vote? Find far, isn't it? Jesus Christ.
My friend.
Adrian, I was just say
Oh,
Emma.
I don't know. Really, Violet games you educating on them and Violet toy. Bullets and blood.
Let's go.
Teammate behind Edge falling alive.
Ori. Oh. Yeah, right. But well, we haven't got a horror back. But horror being pushed from Korea. I don't got original Payday. God, and Wolf Fake and Brother. Oh, you got a battle from Navy. Actually, my look at the coin.
Prime shotgun, auto shotgun,
Prime shotgun, the auto shotgun, a prime shotgun. I need 100 damage for one. Yeah, my Sea of Thieves are awesome.
Spider-Man.
Most worth it game to Marvel ever.
Seven Walker, 2. Oh, the weird Drum Master game. Terraria.
Oh no.
Nah.
What about Living Pinatas?
Yeah.
Wolfenstein.
Any two shots, shotgun and prime shotgun.
Wolfenstein and
She just to go over in Vienna.
Auto shotgun.
Nah, my two-shot them, my prime shotgun and the newest are best. But I'm as good as the striker.
Did you mark it somehow?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Everything glass. Nee, die wordt vast. Don't get a bunch. Got him.
yeah, Blues Tower.
Got him. No, man, lots of rip-offs of all Bloons D6. Bloons D6 and that.
Yeah.
Ond ti methu actually chwarae fe, mae'n guide. Ti methu actually chwarae fe ar Xbox, mae'n guide.
Guys.
Yeah. Mae'n dangos ti fel si chwarae fe, like, it's terrible. Loads of money just on nothing, with nothing good.
Pretty sure.
Oh, mae di'n mynd y wrong way. We'll mark of it hefyd.
Yeah, original Doom 3. Oh, you've got everything games.
Os ti trio neu mai gyd o'r games, fi ti methu hefyd yn take it alright. Farm Cry.
Farming Simulator. Farming Simulator and well, a most boring sounding game ever.
Yeah. Pa dweud hwnna I dad? Mae dad di bod yn live o'r farm. Mae yn though. Oh yeah, pa I dweud hwnna?
Oh, you read them, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, mae yma. Mae gai yma. Mae hi o fedau o stop. Dwi'n acen mwy. Os mynd i'r...
Oh, damn.
Mae canol newydd mae yn. Ble?
You read them out.
Ble? Dwi'n yn gweld e. Oh.
Yeah, my own so...
Was he the mute? Jesus Christ. No. No, dude. Who's just trying to see about to be?
Well, apparently mine's really helped when he did, but I was really yikes. And I mean, that was the high up. I'm in hell. I remember that. Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm dead. Nah.
No.
Dad, sut ti ddim yn gwybod? Fi di'n cael y victory crown hefyd. Give me that. Ddim, just the tea good enough for i fod yn survival fi. Dad, dwi'n mynd i o fi. Mae ddim yn mynd I dod mewn.
It's really adorable.
This is real Pandora.
Yeah, it's quite a...
Come on, quick. Dad, just open her door with him and that. Then line above her thing here. Yes. I'm gonna pop over now, so Borden. Oh my god. Doing first. Land runner. Yeah, on cabin.
Really
good. Well. Dinner down at their box. Wait, runner, don't wait, runner.
I'm just between a friends.
Yeah.
Pickaxe or bottom now. Oh my god. That's that. Run to that. That's better. I've never been.
You know.
That way. What are you doing? Dad.
Oh yeah. Or go over there.
Stop if ever now. I don't bother.